So last class we have seen different formulas and functions, that is sum, average, max, mean, maximum value, minimum value, how to find the count and all. And obviously I will start, as I have promised, I will start with the count if else. Okay, ifs today. Okay, we will cover this one today definitely. Okay, because this thing we have not covered, right? So this thing I will cover today. Okay. Then in addition to that, we have seen also different operation that we can implement on top of the Excel, like how to do data alignment, how to do data rotation, then test wrapping, various other formatting also we have seen. Then how to implement sorting and filtering. Okay, how to understand different layout of the Excel and all. Okay. Now as part of today's agenda, what we'll discuss about. Obviously, I'll start with the events and all. Okay, count events. Then we'll move into the VLOOKUP, which is a very important function. Again, this is VLOOKUP, which is vertical lookup. Similarly, there is another called HLOOKUP, that is horizontal lookup, that we'll see. Then we'll see some example of match. Okay, then index also we'll see. Then once we cover the function and formula, then we'll move to the compute regression coefficient, that is slope and intercept, how we are computing that also we'll see. Okay, then I'll talk about calculate prediction sales, that is y cap, how to find the predicted value by taking a sales data set. Then I will show you how to compute the residual sum of square error, RSS. Okay, these are the different I can say terminology or the concept we use as part of our machine learning. So that I'll show you how we are trying to calculate by taking the help of Excel and all. Then demonstration of functions in Excel. As part of the demonstration, I will show you some advanced like kind of function, that is length function, find function, replace function, uppercase, lowercase, upper function, lower function, concat, which is nothing but the merge with the extra text and all. Okay, once we cover, okay, once we cover, then I will go for giving a summary tables. Okay, applying the summary and what are the things we discuss. I will give a entire summary of the today discussion. Okay, so far so good, guys. Let's start with the first one. That is nothing but, let me open my PPT. So we are going to discuss the first one. Obviously, before moving into this, let me complete the counter. Whatever is pending in the last class. Count EPS. Okay. COUNTIFS. Sorry. IFS. Okay, this is I. Okay, last time we have seen a similar kind of function which is nothing but count. 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 Okay. As part of count we have seen. So what are the number of rows are present, that will display, right? What are, that will display as part of the count function. Clear? Okay. Similarly, why is this problem? Okay. Now today we are going to see how to implement this one. For that I have written a problem statement. So what is my problem statement? Let me write down the problem statement that I will solve in front of you. Problem statement. Okay, problem statement. Okay, what is the problem statement? Question 1. The problem statement is I need to find out, count the number of matches. Okay, count the number of matches, MATCHES, matches played in, let's say I'm taking historical data, that is, let's say in May month, and let's say 2008. Okay, so basically I'll explain about the data set and all. Let me write down the problem statement first. May 28. Okay, so this is the problem statement. So what happens generally, guys? So there is a problem statement giving. So it's a kind of historical data set of the cricket match from last, let's say, 25 years. I'm taking the data from 2000, right? Year wise, whatever the match happens, and it contains lot of column also. I'll show you in the Excel sheet, nothing to be worried. The match happens between which team, or where is the place, which is stadium basically, who win the match, okay. Then who is the man of the match, and everything just explained in that Excel sheet, okay. So basically it's a kind of huge data set, I can say. Let's say this is my data set, which contains lot of information, lot of columns, like, okay, who in the toss, who played, where the match was happens, in between what, which month, not only May, let's say month. Let me tell month. So it will be January, lot of things are there. February month, lot of matches will happen. So entire. So in the year also, like different year. So I pick especially 2008. In 2008, in May month, what is the total number of matches played? Okay, whatever. I mean, only in May month, 2008 year, number of matches played. It may be 150, maybe 220, maybe 300, whatever it may be. That count I want to find out. If I will find that count, guys, directly it's not possible by using count. Because you can tell, sir, I will use count. If you use count, you have to write lot of logic in between that. Then for that, count will not work. For that, they are giving you another beautiful method or function is called COUNTIF. COUNT, count, IFS, COUNTIF. Not simple count, whatever we have learned in the last class, COUNT. The last class we have seen count, right? Let me go back. Let me show you here. I'm talking about here, COUNT. We have completed count. So count is nothing but basically I have told you, it's just count the number of row. Count is equal to 5. Why? Because number of row is equal to 5. But here I'm trying to explain the remaining function that is counted. Okay, so let's see. And before proceeding it, let me write down the steps that I need to follow. Okay, then same things I will implement by showing you the actual data set. The step 1, solution I can write. So this is my solution. Okay, this is solution part. First, step 1. Step 1. What I'll do? Step 1. I will extract the month. Okay, how? There will be a column called like exact year, date, and month. It means it is written, let's say here, maybe 20, May means 5, 2028. Similarly, let's say 14, 05, 2008. So I want to extract, then again maybe 2010, which is not relevant for me because I'm looking for only 2008. I'm not looking for any other year. So if I'm filtering out this kind of year, again, from this data format, I need to extract first year. Then I need to extract the month. Then I can decide, okay, satisfied. That is May and 2008. So it should be 05 or May, written May in the alphabet, like text May and 2008. So based upon that, I will filter it out, the number of rows, then I will start the counting. Clear? Then first what will happen? Out of this value, I need to extract the month. So month should be May, right? So extract month. And I will put this month value into a separate column. I will create a new column. That column name I will give month. Let's say for example month here. I will give a extra column called month. And there I will put. So it will be always 05. 05, 05, 05. Okay. Now extract the month. Now what is the second step? Second step is, as I told you, okay, month is satisfied, like May, right? May month. Then year, 2008. So then I have to extract the year. Extract year. Then again, I will store that year into another column. For example, this column for year. So it will be 2008, right? 2008 and 2008, 2008. Clear? This is the year. I'll show you. All the things I'll show you in the practical. Then we can combine year and month. Then I will combine year and month. These two columns, whatever I have stored, I will combine. Let me scroll it off. Combine month and year. Okay, combine month and year. Once I will combine, then what is the next step? Using count if we count May 20th. So using count if. Okay, I will count. I will count number of rows for May. Clear, guys? Clear? Okay. So for that also I'll have to write the formula. So that's why you now you can understand why I've shifted to the next class, because I need to follow certain steps which was not possible at the last days of previous class. That's why I told you I'll explain in the next class. Because you follow certain steps. It's not straightforward like you just have to use okay equal to sum, then bracket okay C2 colon C6, okay then enter button. No. So I need to understand because I need to do some pre-processing technique. These are comes under some data pre-processing technique. Data pre-processing technique. Data data pre-processing technique. So I will complete all these steps. Once I will complete, then obviously, yeah, like some I will go ahead and implement this. Like I write is equal to COUNT count IFS. Then yeah. So what are the things I need to write? That we'll see. What I'm going to write. This is actual formula. Okay, formula. That's clear. Any doubt so far? Any doubt so far? Now let's move into the data set. I'll show you. Okay. Yeah, fine. See, the same question I've written. Count the number of matches played in May 2008, guys. See, what are the things present? Let me bring to left hand side. You can see there is a column called ID. Then city. I mean, which city the match were played? Bangalore, Chandigarh, Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Jaipur, Hyderabad, Chennai, and a lot many things are there. Then date. On which date it was played. So you can see I have taken all for 2008 only, right? But different month. This is April month. We got 4 present, right? Able to see. Then 5 will come, May month. Then 6 will come. Then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3. Now in May, March, right? So a lot of different combination of different things are present, right? So let me scroll off. Now you can see. Let me maximize this. What is this? Okay, player of the match. Okay, player of the match. So this is the player was playing in that match and venue in which stadium basically. Let's say Bangalore in Swami Stadium. Let's say Chandigarh, Punjab cricket something is written. What is that? Association Stadium, Mohali. Right? Then Kolkata is Eden Garden. Okay, these are the stadium name is mentioned here. Okay, fantastic. Now, what is this? Neutral venue. Okay, neutral value means it seems like think about whether that match got neutral, I mean tie off or win-win situation. Okay, somebody win and lose system kind of scenario. Then team in between which team you can see Royal Challengers Bangalore, King, SIS, Super King, Delhi, Daredevils, Mumbai Indians, Kolkata Knight Riders, and all. Okay, Rajasthan Royals. So this is the team. So team between one and this team two, because obviously the cricket match will be between two teams, right? So you can see, for example, one row I'll pick. 15 row, you can see there is a match played in Hyderabad. Obviously, this is in April, and the player of the match, I mean, basically man of the match, I can say. Biren Sehwag was the man of the match. It was happens in Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium, that is in Hyderabad, and the team it was Deccan Chargers and Delhi Daredevils. Okay, and who win the toss? It's mentioned also who win the toss. See how beautifully I have documented all this data. Toss winner. In between this team, let's say Royal Challengers and Kolkata Knight Riders. Challengers win the toss. Okay, then toss decision. They have elected for field. Field is basically bowling. They are going for batting. Okay, then who win the match? Winner win the match. Now result. Okay, what the run difference and all. Okay, so things are also mentioned like umpire name, like umpire one, umpire two, and the result margin and everything is mentioned. Okay, which is not important for me. Okay, fine. Now let's go step by step, guys. What is the first step? I need to extract the month out of this date column. Getting my point? Because this is the date column, right? It contains the April month details, May month details. Then somewhere I've seen March month details also, because your three was there, right? See here three. All are starting from three. See from this row onwards. 12 3 2010. It's not required because 2010 we should not consider. We should consider only 2028. Sorry, 8 208. So this is 209. I should worry about that. I should consider only this one. And this is a huge data set, you can say. Huge data set. Almost I can say how many rows are there. If I scroll down, go to below, almost how many? 824, right? 824, really? Or something hiding? Yeah, 824. So starting from 9. So let's say log of, 815 rows are there, right? Now what I'll do, from this date column, I'll first extract the month column, then I'll extract the year column. So how to do that? Let me go. I have already done. I'm showing you. Scroll down. Sorry, scroll right. Scroll right. See. That's why I've taken in a white. You can see. That means this is the additional two column I have added. I told you, right? My data set is up to ampere 2. My data set is up to ampere 2, which is highlighted with a different color, blue color. Now I have added a new column called month, another new column called year. Now I need to extract the month from the date column. See, this is the date column. This column, this column, this column, this column. From date column, I need to extract the month, and again from this date column, I need to extract the year, and that I am writing here. See, 4 was there, 4 is there. Then where 5 is there, 5 is come. Then 3 will come, and all, right? And corresponding year also will come. Year will also come. You can see. To extract that, I have taken that is a method, a function called month. Then why C9? Because I have started with the C9. Because column C, you can see the date column. I told you, right? Last class we have discussed the date column present in column C. If I will calculate for this only one, this one is nothing but C column 9th row, C9. That's why my formula is showing me 6 9 while I am printing, keeping my cursor here. If I will pick anything else, let's say this one, C12. So if I do it, I click the enter button, then obviously all the month will be extracted from the date column. Getting me, but all the months. Same thing is happening for the year also. See, I click here. Now year instead of month. Now here I have written month equal to month is equal to C9. But here is equal to year because I am extracting the year. Similarly, you can ask me, sir, can I extract the date? Like this date. Which date it was played? Like 18, 19, 20, 24, something. Yes. Then will be a method called date. If you write equal to date C9, then all the date will be extracted. But here date is not important for me. Why? Because According to the problem statement, I need to find out only May month 2028. It does not matter which date. Only May month. I'm worried about month and year. Getting my point, guys? So first step and second step I have completed successfully. Extracted a month and extracted a year. Then what I'll do? I will just combine all the things. Then for that, what I'm doing, I'm just showing you the formula I'm trying to explain here. So total count is coming, guys. Here you can see, yeah, number of count you can see. Yeah, here I've written. So I have extracted, let's say, number of year number. So I have taken 2010. I will modify it to 2008. Now month number 4. So I will put it here. Instead of 4, I will put it 5. Let's say for March month, right? You can see. For May. May means I have to put it 5. Fantastic. I need it from 2008, right? Because according to question, see, I need to figure it out of 2008. 2008. So instead of 2010, I will change it to 2008. 2008. Fine. Now, if I click on enter button, you look into this output. I have written the formula here. I will show you. I will explain that. Just see the output. I click on enter button. It's coming count as 40. It's coming count as 40. Okay. It's coming count as 40. Just 1 minute. I'm getting a call from the management. Hello. Yeah. I hope you are able to see my screen also. Right? Yeah. So here I'm showing you what is the output I'm getting here. You can see the entire formula I have written here. Now let me explain. So what is this, guys? S9 and there is a dollar symbol. The dollar symbol indicates it's a dynamic keep on changing. That's why instead of writing S9, I'm writing before S there is a dollar symbol. So S is nothing but this column, month column, because I'm trying to combine, right? Here, year column, first one is year column, yes. Then there is a month column called R. You can see here. Where is that? R here, here. So I'm first taking from ninth, means this is the ninth row. You can see the row if you consider here, ninth row. Right? Ninth row. Okay, that's why you're starting from S9, means S column, ninth row, up to S824. Why? Because I told you, right, last column, last row number was 824, right? 824. See here, 824 here, 824. So I'm taking the data of this S column starting from here up to the entire row, I can say. Then comma. Now come to this part, then I'll come to L2 and L3. Okay. Now, okay, I'm taking that one. Then I'm keeping here in the L2. L2 is nothing but L column, second row, 2008. Because I have to take for only 2008 column. Then coming for R means month calculation. Month again I'm starting from here for R month, starting from ninth row, that is R9, up to R824 I'm taking. So entire month I'm taking. Then I'm keeping in the L3. L3 is nothing but L column here, 3. Third row here, this one. L3. L3 here, third column, this one. Now based upon these two value, whatever I will play, this count will keep on changing. Sir, could you please prove one more time? Definitely. See, here I have taken May month 2008. So according to our requirement, we got the answer. That is May month 2010. Okay, 2008. Sorry. Now could you please change? I will see how this count is varying. Obviously, let me take. Let's say instead of May month, can I tell another problem statement for April month in 2010 year? In 2010 year, because different year is also present, right? As I told you, it's a historical data. It contains the data set containing 2008, 9, 10, 11, 12, and so on. Think about it in that perspective. Now, see how beauty. I have designed this Excel sheet in such a way that just kind of filter. I'll change here Then click on enter button, automatically my count will increase. See, now I give it for 2010, I click on enter, see, 31. So initially the count was 40, now the count becomes 31. So you will get to know from this, in 2010, in April month, total number of matches played across the entire, India, I can say 31 matches. Similarly, you can play around any other combination of month and year. For example, okay, let's say May 2010. I don't know. Let me see. So I change to 5. Click on enter. 0. Why? Because in 2010 May month there was no match played. I mean, match not played means in the sense like I have not captured the data. Maybe that data set is not present in my Excel sheet. What will present should pick, right? But if you go and see the history, maybe there is a match played, but that I'm not capturing. So let me take some other month. Let me take May. Sorry, March month. Is it? Yes, 29 matches. See, so 29 matches played in March to 2010. Let me change it to 2008. Let's say 8, and here let's see March month. Let me click. Yeah, 0. No match played. Let me change it to April. Yes, 17 matches played. Are getting my point? Like this, we have to play, play around all the things. This one, so let me this is 4. Yeah, total 31 matches. So what is the formula? Here you can see count if. Here I'm using count ifs IFS, not only count. I hope guys you are clear now. So how I'm making my life easy. Because if I give this huge amount of data set, guys, it's not possible. If I ask the question, okay, tell me who in the match, how many matches played. So I'm just showing one example. Even if we can do this, formula, who in the match. For example, same things like instead of counting, I want to find out winner, number of winner, or who win the match for this particular month or year, or how many counts. Everything you can formulate like this, and you can get the output instead of just like going and manually, finding out. So that's how Excel help us to solve the complex analytics. I just build a formula, I keep it here. Now you change anything, combination of any year, any month, it will give me the count number of matches played in that particular month and year. Getting my point? That's all about count tips. Okay, now let's come back to our agenda. What is the next one? Next one is, so this is the pending one. I completed, right? COUNTIF. Fine. Now let's come to today's agenda, that is VLOOKUP. Okay, VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP. Okay, so this is, I can say, vertical lookup. V stands for vertical. Yeah, vertical lookup. Okay, so let me share my PPT. So the problem statement was, let me write down the problem statement, then I'll explain. The problem statement is, given the ID of the match. You see, there is a column called ID, right? So the ID of the match is given. So given ID of the match, okay, given ID of the match, then what I'll do, return the name of the team. This is given. Okay, return name of the team. Return name of the team which won the match. Which won the match. Guys, it's really awesome, man. Awesome problem statement. Okay. I mean, see how beautifully I've designed. I mean, I'll show you how we are able to solve with just matter of one click. But to write that formula, that is very important. So if you understand this concept, you can write by your own. So let me go back to again the same problem, like my data set. There I will show you. So you have already seen also there is a column for ID. If I pick any ID, for example, let's say some ID I pick 1294 something. Tell me for that ID which team won the match on that particular day. So I just want to know, return the name of the team, just name of the team. Okay, I don't need on which date, where the game was played, which state, which place. That also I can find it out. But for time being, I need to find it out only name of the team, who in the match. For example, it's between Delhi Daredevils and some other thing. Let's say Super King and all. Okay. Now who in the match? So you just have to tell the name. But by just giving the ID, I will just provide the ID, nothing else. I will not give you anything else. Okay. It's a really great problem statement. Now let's go back to our our data set. Okay. Let me share again. Yeah guys, see now. Here, okay, 1 minute. Sometimes my mouse is not working. That's a problem. Okay. Yeah, see. Same problem statement I will written. Giving the ID of the match, return the name of the team which won the match. So I have shown you the same data set in my previous problem statement also. The same. See? Here is ID giving, city giving, date giving, player, I mean man of the match basically, venue, okay, neutral or not, then team one and team two, between which team, okay, who in the toss, who decided for elected for batting or fielding and all, win the result, winner, okay, result come blah blah blah. Here you cannot see to the month and year column. Why? Because that is the additional column that I have done as for that problem statement. But actually the data is up to this, like umpire 1, umpire 2. Getting my point? Now, the question is, I picked any ID. Think about any ID. I have picked one ID called 335989. See, where is that? 335989. Where is that? 335989. This one, right? Correct? 335989. Guys, manually try to check who win the match. If I go to this row, toss winner, right? Who is this winner? If I maximize the K, Chennai Super King, right? Just remember, this is the answer. For this ID, Chennai Super King is the winner, right? Guys, I have written a formula. So I am giving the ID here. I have written a formula called VLOOKUP. I will explain what it is. The answer is giving the Chennai Super King, which I am getting exactly by doing the manual cross-checking also. How? Now see, try to understand what is this formula all about. Now for this type of problem statement, I have to use VLOOKUP. Okay, fantastic. Then after that, I am using F10. What is that F? F is nothing but here. Here you can see F column. 10 means this row, means this value. Basically, it is trying to pick the input data. What is the input data? It's nothing but a given ID. Because ID I have to provide. So ID I am providing here. How to capture this is nothing but my column F, my row 10, F10. That's why it's written F10. See, F10 here. Understood? F10. Then comma. Is written A4. Sorry. A4. A4 to, sorry, A4 to Q830. What is A4? See. What is A? This is A. Sorry, A14. I'm sorry, A14. This A. 14 means starting from here. Exactly this row means including column header also. Till the end of the entire table. That means Q830. What is a Q? Q is nothing but my last column. See, this is Q. 830 means just scroll down. Entirely end of the data is talking about this one. It's 830, right? So it's talking about this data. Entirely at the end, last. 830, Q830 means this column. Means trying to take the entire table. In that table, what is happening, guys? In that table, what happens, right? 11, comma 0. 11, comma 0. What is 11? Now see. What is 11? What is that? Where I can find out? 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Who is that? 11, 11, 11. 1 minute. Why I am missing? 11 comma 0. Why I put 11 comma 0? I need to check. 1 minute. Result winner. Okay, yes, correct. Now see, start counting the number of column that contains the winner, because you need to find out the winner, right? Return the name of the team who won the match. So where is winner? Winner is present here. Now start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the column for which you need to find out the value, that column present in which position from the starting column. That number I am passing here, that is nothing but 11. I hope now we are understood. Yes or no, guys? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? That's why I am putting 11. And 0 means obviously, I mean starting from index 0, that's why I am putting 0. Okay, starting from index number 0, right? Because starting with 0, index 10 will start from, right? That's why I'm putting the 0. That's a super key. Now, let me change this number. Manually, we will try to figure it out. Okay, who in the match? Now, you will test me. Think about, I will pick in front of you only. Let's say 335984, this row. And for this, who is the winner? Delhi Daredevils. So now I will copy or I'll change this number. I'll put here. I'll click on enter button. Now it will change from Chennai Super King to Delhi Daredevils. Then I can say, yes sir, my formula is working 100% correctly. Correct? Now try to figure it out. What is the number? 335984. Okay. Just last digit I need to change. 84. So I got the 9. I'll put the 4. See the number? 335984. Correct? Now I'll press the enter button. What should be the value? Output should be Delhi Daredevils, right? This should be the output. Now click the enter button. Enter. See, Delhi Daredevils is coming. That is the beauty. That is the beauty of this formula. See, that is the beauty of this formula. Similarly, any other number you take, any other last example. For example, the first one. Think about the first one. Who is the winner? Kolkata Knight Riders, right? So let me change. 335982. Okay, so it will be 82. 82. 335982. Now I will press enter button. So it should change to Kolkata Knight Riders. Enter. See, Kolkata Knight Riders. See, that's all. So I have designed the formula in such a way that whatever the input will give me the ID, based on the ID, it will tell me who is the winner and not. Guys, any doubts so far? Any doubts so far? Please let me know. It's very, very interesting, guys. Now, similarly, I'll go for solving another problem statement by using VLOOKUP, then we'll move to the next one, guys. These all are practical, it will take time. Okay, fine. So let me go back to my whiteboard again. Yeah. So now, the second example of VLOOKUP. Okay, another problem statement I'm writing. Problem statement 2. So in short, I'm writing problem statement 2. So let me 3. So it will problem statement 1, because totally we'll see how many problem statement we are covering. Okay. Problem statement 1. This is problem statement 2. Okay, 2. So this is problem statement 3. Okay. In short, I'm writing PS. Okay. What is the question here? So basically, this is question 1 I've written. Let's say this is question 2. Question 2. And this is question number 3. Yeah. What do we need to solve? Same. Given the ID of the match. Okay. Given ID of the match. Okay. Match ID is given. Okay, fine. Then what I need to figure it out? We have to find out, guys. Return the name of the city. See, I'm going one step deeper. Return name of the city and basically this is a combination of two different problem statements. I'm putting and what else? City and the venue. City and the venue. City and the venue. City and the venue. Yeah, fine. So here in the previous problem statement, I have to find out the name of the team. In addition to that, you can see here I'm trying to find out name of the city. This is basically think about which city the game was played and venue. Two different things I need to figure it out by using same VLOOKUP and all. Clear, guys? It's very interesting because here same I have to give a ID and it will tell me where the match was played and what is the venue. Okay, let's go back to our again the same data set.